Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the SIM is active and seated correctly. A misaligned tray can block registration. Next, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then restart the phone to force a fresh network scan. While it reboots, make sure you've recorded APN and carrier operator settings so you can restore them if needed. Once done, check signal bars and the carrier name. This quick sequence resolves many transient registration failures without deeper intervention. You should now move into network settings and select your carrier manually. Automatic selection sometimes picks the wrong roaming network. If manual selection fails, change preferred network type to match the SIM's technology, because a 4G-only SIM won't register on 3G-only settings. Then verify and reset APN entries to carrier defaults. Incorrect APN blocks registration. If prompted, re-enter username/password or MCC/MNC values. This ensures the phone and carrier can authenticate and exchange the required registration data. For final steps, reset the SIM and try it in another phone to rule out hardware faults. If it works elsewhere, the problem is the original device. Install any pending carrier settings or firmware updates because compatibility fixes are common. If nothing changes, ask your carrier to refresh provisioning using your IMEI. They can push a network reset. And one key tip: if registration still fails, request a temporary network refresh from the carrier before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.